Okay, Varun, continue please.
Let's start. सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन तो ऑब्वियसली ये तो मेरा खुद का क्वेश्चन है और बहुत सारे लोगों का भी क्वेश्चन है। और आप 2 दिन पहले की बात है शायद, मेरे प्लेटफॉर्म पे आए और आपने बड़े शोरों से तालियां मारते हुए मेरे you said something which was a big feather in my cap by having an ISI agent on the platform. Yes. Right? Yes. And the very next day, actually उसी रात, मेरी तो दिन रात का फर्क है, इसलिए आप एक ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म पे थे जहां पर आप you were in sync with the same person without a mask. I'm going to address the mask and non-mask question later on, guys, क्योंकि वो भी क्वेश्चन था. But आप लोग इकट्ठे वहां पर and you committed something first कि I will make sure that the ISI does not do anything or I will safeguard something like that. आपने बोला उसी एजेंट के ISI एजेंट बोला था मेरे प्लेटफॉर्म.
देखो, ऐसा है, पहली बात, मेरी एक स्टेटमेंट उस सेशन पे बता दो जिसमें मैंने आपकी प्लेटफॉर्म पे स्टेटमेंट दी थी, उसको उस पे बैक गया.
Okay, let me make it very simple. Let me make it very simple. Is Aisha Khan an ISI agent?
As per my sources, yes. Absolutely 100%.
Okay. Then I would say kudos to you to be with her in the same platform and then supporting her. फिर उसका क्या जवाब?
No, you look at the other side of the picture.
Yes.
The other side of the picture is that a lot of things came to my knowledge after I came onto your show.
Okay.
And that would be brought into the notice of the people at large very soon.
Okay.
मैं हमेशा से कहता हूँ एक चीज, जहाँ मेजॉरिटी ऑफ लोगों की सोच खत्म हो जाती है ना, वहां से हम जैसे लोगों की सोच शुरू होती है. एंड दैट इज व्हाई आई एम विभोर आनंद. जहाँ जिस दिन मेरी गेम समझ गए ना, तो लोग मेरी जगह ले लेंगे, और उसमें भी बहुत टाइम है. तो मैं अगर कोई स्टेटमेंट देता हूँ तो उसके ऊपर बहुत सारे प्रॉज एंड कॉन्स सोच समझ के देता हूँ.
Okay.
And you know it, Varun. You have seen it in last 2 months.
I've experienced it personally.
You are the most experienced guy in my statement.
True. So yeah, go ahead.
And secondly, उस प्लेटफॉर्म पे इकट्ठे आने का एक और बहुत सारे रीजंस थे. अभी बताना सही नहीं है, लेकिन I would make sure that the reasons come out in public domain at the earliest. क्योंकि उसका एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल मैं देता हूँ. यार, मैं किस प्लेटफॉर्म पे आ रहा हूँ ये मेरा डिसीजन होता है. मैं वरुण के शो पे आ रहा हूँ, मैं उज्जवल के शो पे आ रहा हूँ, मैं अपने शो पे आ रहा हूँ, मैं XYZ किसी के शो पे आ रहा हूँ, उसके पीछे बहुत बड़ी कहानी होती है. मैं रैंडमली किसी के भी शो पे नहीं आ जाता हूँ. You know it. और देखो, कभी कभी छोटे छोटे सैक्रिफाइसेस देने पड़ते हैं फॉर अ बिगर कॉज. एंड nowhere I stated that she is not an ISI agent. I am going back on my statement. I'm sorry. प्रोटेक्शन की बात उसके बच्चों के लिए, because she cried in front of me for 6 hours on the phone call कि मेरे बच्चों को मार देंगे. तब मैंने कहा I'll make sure that they don't touch your children. इस बात की गारंटी तो मैं देता हूँ. और उस स्टेटमेंट के पीछे का जो कहानी है ना, वो आम जनता को समझ में नहीं आती है.
Okay.
जिस दिन जनता ये कहानी समझने लग जाएगी ना, उस दिन विभोर आनंद की तुम लोगों को जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. बहुत आसान है आप लोगों के लिए सवाल उठाना कि इसने इसके साथ प्लेटफॉर्म शेयर किया, इसने इसके साथ प्लेटफॉर्म शेयर किया. भैया, व्हाट आई गो थ्रू एवरी डे, 10 मिनट मेरी जिंदगी जी के देख लो तुम लोग. In the morning I make a statement, by the evening I have to decide in favor of someone who is a true SSRian, and I had to get her out of this mess.
Okay. At least I got one answer very loud and clear before, that Aisha Khan जो मेरे प्लेटफॉर्म पे आई वो एक ISI एजेंट थी. तो उस बेसिस पे, just because you are confirming it, I would again for the people who were asking me questions around that, I would apologize कि मैं अपने प्लेटफॉर्म पे एक ISI एजेंट लाया, वो मुझे नहीं करना चाहिए था क्योंकि मुझे नहीं पता था. I did not have any kind of validation. I am still going by what Vibhor is saying. तो उस वजह से I am ready to kind of apologize कि एक ISI एजेंट को मैंने प्लेटफॉर्म दिया, which should not have happened.
और लोगों को लग रहा है विभोर ने प्लेटफॉर्म शेयर किया. मैंने कोई प्लेटफॉर्म शेयर नहीं किया, मुझे इनवाइट किया गया था. भाई मैंने अपने प्लेटफॉर्म पे बुलाया गया किसी को?
ओके.
अभी मैं उसकी डिटेल्स में अभी नहीं जाऊंगा. व्हाट इज आयशा खान, हु इज आयशा खान, लेट अस नॉट गेट इनटू इट. Let us get into the bigger picture.
Sure. Saffron also kind of, because Saffron ने भी बहुत सारे उसके related tweet किए. And
how let us get to the bigger picture, that how deeply ISI is involved in SSR's case and into the affairs of Bollywood.
Okay.
This was the bigger picture that people have missed.
Okay. I'll let Saffron also, put up his question around that, because उसके ऊपर बहुत tweets Saffron ने भी किए हैं. Saffron, please.
भाई अपने का अपना तो कोई ये नहीं है, क्वेश्चन नहीं है. सैफरन टाइगर ने अपना स्टैंड बहुत क्लियरली सजेस्ट किया है, एंड आई स्टैंड विथ एवरीथिंग आई हैव ट्वीटेड येस्टरडे. मुझे लगा था कि क्वेश्चंस तुम दोनों लेने वाले हो, या फिर तुम दोनों मुझे कुछ पूछोगे क्वेश्चंस जिसके मैं जवाब दे सकता हूँ, बट मेरा स्टैंड वही है. आई नो सारी ऑडियंस जो है हमारी यहाँ पे, इतने सारे लोग हैं, हर कोई ट्विटर पे रहता नहीं है, तो मैं सबके लिए बता दूं कि कल ये जो मीटिंग हुई थी विभोर आनंद की, ये कबाल के साथ, मेरे लिए वो कबाल ही है, जिसमें एक एजेंट भी थी. तो सबसे पहले तो आई वॉज नॉट हैप्पी विद द फैक्ट दैट ही वॉज मीटिंग, एंड आई टोल्ड हिम दैट we shouldn't do this, and he said that no, you are also going to be there and I'll tell you later why we are meeting. And then he went ahead in that meeting. I was not knowing that वहाँ पे live session भी हो रहा था, और I came to know from some fan जिसने मुझे बोला कि अरे सर आप दिख नहीं रहे हो वहाँ पे, and the next thing I know that he is sitting in that meeting. And it was not about the fact that like I missed it. Good riddance, thank God I was not there, because for me it was like an embarrassing disaster to see him in the manner he conducted himself in that meeting. And
अरे मैंने तो कुछ बोला ही नहीं. I let them speak.
भाई मेरी टर्न हो जाने दो, फिर आप बोलना. आफ्टर दैट मीटिंग देखो, तो ये बात जो है, ये आप एक दिन एक इंसान को बोल रहे हो कि आप एजेंट हो, नेक्स्ट डे आप उनके शो पर जा रहे हो एंड यू आर प्लेइंग अपीजमेंट, फिर उसके नेक्स्ट डे आप बोल रहे हो कि सैक्रिफाइस करना पड़ता है फॉर अ ग्रेटर कॉज. तो भाई ये तो मुझे मेरे जंगल स्टोरी से भी ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लगता है. मुझे सीधी बात समझ में आती है. आई नो कि मैं भी थोड़ी सी टेढ़ी बातें करता हूँ अपने ट्विटर स्टोरीज में, जो सबको नहीं समझ में आती, बट दिस वॉज बियॉन्ड द पेल फॉर मी. और ये तो अपने हमारा जो मिशन है, द मिशन फॉर विच वी आर फाइटिंग, उससे रिलेटेड है. उसके अलावा भी काफ़ी सारी बातें हैं, बिकॉज आई हैव बीन वर्किंग क्लोजली विद विभोर, तो आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस दोज, बट वो मैं इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे नहीं लाऊंगा, बिकॉज दोज आर नॉट रिलेटेड टू द मिशन. आई विल टॉक अबाउट द थिंग्स विच आर रिलेटेड टू द मिशन. सो दिस हैज़ dwindled my trust in Vibhor. I'll be very honest about it, and probably Vibhor knows it. मैंने उसको ऑफलाइन भी बोला था एक बार. So I don't know how do I go ahead from here with him. And मुझे आप पे भी गुस्सा आया था वरुण, मैं आपको बता दूं. एक तो सबसे पहले जब आपने वो लेडी को, वो मोहतरमा को आपने अपने शो पे बुलाया, और नेक्स्ट डे ज़्यादा गुस्सा तब आया जब आप उसको अपलोड कर रहे हो कि यार यू आर द ट्रू SSR वॉरियर, हैट्स ऑफ टू यू, और क्या क्या नहीं लिखा था आपने.
Absolutely, and I have all the answers to that question as well. You are very right. First thing, I am a very, I respect all the ladies. I mean, ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं किसी को disrespect करता हूँ. but especially for ladies when they are at a place, जैसे उन्होंने कहा Middle East में है, 3 kids, family, and until now I would say, जब तक मुझे अभी भी clarify नहीं है कि वो ISI agent है कि नहीं है, just because Vibhor is saying, I would go with that fact because we are live right now, and he has not backed out from his statement from what he made on my show. उस time पे the only thing I had in my mind was the modesty and the respect for any female on any platform. अगर मुझे कोई कहेगा कि वरुण जी मैं आपके
अच्छा,
चल और मैं फेस कवर करना चाहती हूँ, तो I will.
चलो, let me.
One second. No, let me.
एक मिनट.
बोलने देना.
Ayush, एक मिनट. Let me end this fucking everything.
Hey, Vibhor.
नहीं, I'm sorry to use that word. Are you sure that Aisha Khan with the mask which came on your show and Aisha Khan without mask which came on the usual show are the same girl? Are you sure about it?
That's a valid question, Varun.
Yeah. So it's the same
Are
lady.
you sure about?
Yeah.
No, it's not. No,
Because-
she's not.
No,
She is not.
she is. Because
The person who comes on the Facebook live with a mask and the person who came on the Facebook on the YouTube live with you and the person who came on without a mask are different people.
Okay, so then let me just answer that question very simply. We had a session right after the live. The same person who you were chatting with took off her mask, जिसका screenshot Debalina Chakrabarti ने लिया, and you were also part of that call, and you talked to her right after that live session. Now, so why are you even questioning that? Why are you saying there was a same?
I am questioning the identity of the person who is on Facebook live and who is
That I don't know. That I don't know. Facebook live का मुझे किसी का
तो
connection
वही तो मैं क्या dual identity है, who is the real Aisha Khan?
Okay, then why did you come on the platform, on the same platform? You said this agent
यार,
or the mask is an ISI agent. You said that.
I am saying Aisha Khan is an ISI agent, but I am again making a pertinent question.
Okay.
Are you really sure that it is the same Aisha Khan?
Okay, maybe
comes on the face.
आप शायद confuse कर रहे हो.
मैं confuse नहीं कर रहा, मैं confusion को clear कर रहा हूँ.
Correct.
How easily you people were tricked?
How easily what?
You people were confused by the two identities.
I was not confused. I had an Aisha Khan on my show. You came on my show and you said you, Aisha Khan, on the show is an ISI agent. And you told me, Varun Kapoor, hats off to you, you got an ISI agent. So till that time, she was just an advocate from Qatar who was on a show which was Date with Advocate. So you clarified who she was.
I am saying one important fact.
Yeah.
I'm raising one important pertinent question.
Uh-huh.
Are you sure that she's the same Aisha Khan you wanted to invite?
Yeah. Why not?
Then you didn't do the due diligence of that person. She claims to be a Baloch. She
Okay.
claims to be a advocate from Qatar.
Okay.
She claims a lot of things.
Right. And for
She
me,
claims to be.
she was just an SSI. That's it. For me, she was just like I interviewed you the first time. Just like I interviewed.
But you did a due diligence on me, na? You did a due diligence on me. Who is Vibhor Anand in background verification?
No.
You only told me कि मैंने थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ा था तुम्हारे बारे में.
It was somebody who connected me with you and said, "This is Vibhor Anand. We would love to interview." And you know what the story
यार
is.
मैं वही कह रहा हूँ वरुण. When you don't understand, when people don't understand what is the real game behind, then they are bound to get confused.
Anyways, I am not confused. I said I invited an SSRian to talk about the legal.
But you were not even aware about the real Aisha Khan. Na?
Absolutely.
And
Exactly.
And the people are not aware. The people are not aware of the real Aisha Khan.
And you clarified she's an ISI agent. We all heard
Yes.
it right now, right? And once it is clarified she's an ISI agent, I apologize that yes, if she was an ISI agent, and if she is what you are claiming to, then yes, it is a bad thing on my part because I did not know she was an ISI agent. But right now what I'm saying is, if she was an ISI agent, if she is, I don't have any differentiation because us session ke baad, the moment she got disconnected and I did not invite her back or did not take her back into the live stream, we had a chat, all of us, you, Debalina, and who else? I forgot. और कौन था हमारे साथ?
Aisha Khan.
Aisha Khan. Exactly. Aisha Khan, where Dabalina very smartly took a screenshot also to prove this is the Aisha Khan without a mask, because she took off the mask during our session, and she did not take a mask because she told me very clearly, Varun, I am from Qatar, I am from a Middle East country, I have all the rights. I said, till the time your camera is on, Miss Aisha Khan, it's okay, because you could keep your mouth covered with whatever thing you want to. It could be a hijab, it could be a mask, and that's what she did. And she very clearly told me. But then when you said she's a ISI agent, the next thing that happened was you guys sitting and you are committing. So ये था question जो सब लोगों को था. Even Saffron Tiger put all the comments, and he just mentioned he was unhappy with my take on it as well. That why did I do that? The next day, when still it was not confirmed whether she was an ISI agent, I posted a comment which was very clear that as a lady, as a woman, I respect your thing which you said, I have to put a mask. I did not know that you will go to another platform and take off your mask. That was something which she did wrong. If she has taken off her mask on the platform, she could have taken it on my. Why did she lie to me? That is my only problem. I respected her statements. I respected her comment. I said, you know what? I will go with what you're saying, because you're from Middle East and I have a little different understanding of how people behave in Middle Eastern. So I said, you know what? I'll agree to it. But you weren't there, right? I mean, before, you cannot even defy that we all chatted after the session. And
Absolutely, I'm not.
Exactly.
I am not.
So you saw her face there, and I think Dabalina took a screenshot as well, which he shared on different platforms. So all that happened right after that live. The reason why I did not get her back onto the stream was because of the language. I respect any lady, be it an ISI agent or not, it doesn't matter. She said she had 3 kids. She had some kind of moral responsibility towards the kids and safety issues. I definitely did not get her back, but I kept her in the backstage so that we all can have a session. Irrespective, sorry. So I hope I was able to answer your question, Saffron. I know you did not like it and you very openly acknowledged it, and I acknowledge it as well. अगर मुझे पता ही नहीं है कि वो ISI agent है या नहीं है, for me she's just a lady who respects, who demands some kind of respect, and being a family man yourself, I think you will also do the same thing if you